guys, and welcome to this weekly vlog. So today I am just doing some cleaning around the house. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday my husband stayed home from work because he has been dealing with pink eye lately, and that is not fun. So he had the weekend to recover, and then he also took off Monday as well. As of right now, I've just been cleaning, ridding up the house, and just cleaning the kitchen up, and just doing normal things. I have a list that I like to do every day, and I've been going around the house doing that. I'm taking a break right now. I'm thinking about getting some lunch, and then returning back to the work. As of right now, I am 17 weeks and 4 days pregnant. So I'm going to be 18 weeks on Saturday. Super exciting. It feels like it's flying by. I'm almost halfway there, which is really cool. Cute story that happened the other day. I had my laptop on my lap, and some loud music came on really quick and abruptly, and it like scared me, and it scared the baby, and the baby like jumped in my tummy. It was really funny. I felt so bad because he's just so little, but I felt him just flop, like, whoa, you know? So that was really funny. For lunch, I am having a smoothie, and that's what it looks like. It's 1 cup of juice of any kind that you like. I use simply orange juice, and then 1 cup of frozen fruit. It's really good. If you like sugary smoothies, this is for you. So today is Wednesday. I did housework pretty much all day yesterday. I just woke up today a little bit ago and had some breakfast. I'm kind of hungry though, so I'm probably going to eat something else. And I put a slow cooker meal on. It's chicken and dumplings, slow cooker version, and it's made with biscuits. And Ari is taking her nap on me. So I'm going to get up in just a bit. We're holding hands over here. Super cute. Tonight I have my last calling of the year to go to, and I'm supposed to make cookies for it, and I made cookie dough, like sugar cookie dough, like last week, and I put it in a freezer, and I've been unthawing it, and it just is kind of a weird texture, so I might try to bake it and see what happens, but it's a unique texture, so I don't know. So I'm going to go try to do that in just a little bit. And then there's a few things I need to do. Arlie and his brother's getting back in town tonight, and they're going to move the baby crib upstairs and move some things around upstairs because they're getting ready to leave on Friday and head to their next destination. It's been a really good visit with them, but they're going to help us move a few things up there since I can't really lift. So yeah, that's really nice of them. So that's what's gonna happen tomorrow. And my eye, just so you guys know, is like fully 100% better. I left a little bit of a scar there, so but it's like fading every day, so that's really good. But my eye is like 100% better. I've been feeling 100% better overall. I've just still been exhaustedly tired all the time. I'm only taking B6 at night now, and it's still making me tired. But other than that, I'm doing pretty good. Okay guys, so it is Friday, and I haven't vlogged a ton this week just because there's so much going on lately. The first thing is my husband's brother and his wife, who were living with us for, I think, the past 4 months, probably about 19 weeks to be exact. They moved out today and went on to their next adventure, which is super exciting for them and everything, so I'm really excited for them. And so that happened today. It's about 8:30. They just left a few minutes ago. And at 11:30, I have a luncheon with a few friends from my church, which will be super fun. So I want to look better than I do right now. So I'll probably go take a bath and fix my hair and try out some new hairstyles on my hair or something. And then I'll head to that. And then I know the beginning of this coming week, I am going to be making lots and lots of cookies because every year we like to go around and give cookies out to people from the church. So we're going to do that. Meanwhile, the cats can't believe the guest room is open again, and so they're running up and down the stairs and running into it and just acting crazy. They have been tied up technically in the bedroom since like 4:30 a.m. because they were moving their stuff out and I didn't want the cats to get out. But other than that, there hasn't been a ton going on this week just because I didn't have a prenatal appointment. I didn't have a specialist prenatal appointment. I've had a little bit of break from that. So it's just been cleaning, getting ready for the holidays, people moving out, just kind of just normal things that are just going on. Some of them not normal, but you know what I mean. And then next week's vlog is going to be, I think, 9 days. So it's going to cover Sunday, this coming Sunday, all the way until after Christmas. So there's 2 more vlogs. After this one, there's 2 more vlogs left of the year. And then the next vlog will just cover the few days from after Christmas to New Year's. So yeah, that's the breakdown of the vlogs for you guys. So I am waiting to go to my luncheon thing. I wanted to put makeup on and fix my hair better, but I just don't feel like it. Yesterday I had the worst heartburn ever. Like night before last, it was such bad heartburn that it made me nauseous throughout the night and I could not sleep. So night before last, I got like 2 hours of sleep. It was super, super bad. And so yesterday I was going on like 1 or 2 hours of sleep, and then today I got up at like 7:30 is when I woke up. So I am definitely still tired. But I did some stuff in the nursery. I will show you what all I did later on today. But I'm getting ready to go to the luncheon thing. It's in like 20 minutes. So I wanted to wear makeup and stuff and just look better, but I just didn't feel like it. I've been doing some things around the house. Okay guys, so I just got back from that awesome luncheon that we had. And it was absolutely amazing. It was so much fun, had a good spiritual message in it. It was just great. And I'm full. And it's just great to have friends, especially around this time of year, you know. We were sharing our favorite thing, and I shared the rings that I wear. I have these 2 rings right here that I wear, and this is my mom's wedding band, and this is her favorite ring. And so, as you guys may know or may not know, she died this is the 2nd Christmas without her. So she died a little after Christmas, basically the new year, January 5th of 2016. So it's been almost 2 years. And so I shared that with everybody about the rings being my favorite thing. And it's just nice to know that this time of year, there's people who are struggling to, you know, and really understand the true meaning of what Christmas is and all about. So it was just a really, really nice get together. So I'm actually in his nursery right now, and there's not a ton to see, but right here we have the crib that we need to put up, and this is the crib mattress that we have, and we're just going to try to figure out where it's best to have it at. And this is our guest bed. This is some of his clothes that I have, and I have this 3-part hamper over here and the glider chair. So we just got to figure out what the best arrangement is. We may turn the bed the opposite way and put the crib over here, but that's for you guys to find out later about. And then we have some cube storage systems. We have 2 of them in here. I don't know if you can see them, but we have 2 of them. So that's looking good. For right now, I'm just going to sort out the clothes I have for him. I have a ton more clothes coming when my husband's parents come, when a baby's born. But for right now, I just brought home the newborn type stuff, because they're going to come before the baby's born or a little after the baby's born. We're not really sure. So I'm just sorting out stuff. I'm going to put some stuff away. And when my husband gets home, we're going to put the crib together. And yeah, I'm just doing miscellaneous in here. Okay guys, so I'm organizing some books and stuff in the nursery. And this is how funny my cat is. I'm organizing in the cube storage system. And look what's in there. Hey, Jinx. Did you find a cozy spot to sleep? Meanwhile, Ari is looking out the window from a very high view and enjoying herself so much. Okay, guys, we're at In-N-Out. Can you see? Yeah.
Gordon Ramsay's favorite burger place.
Yes. Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
You're the one who told me that.
Oh, I forget. So, I did a bunch of work today, and then we're probably going to put up the crib later, but we decided to just, on a spur of the moment, go to In-N-Out because I've been wanting it lately, and it sounds amazing. Okay, guys, so today is Saturday, and we are putting together the crib, which is nice over there. So we bought this crib off of Facebook Marketplace like a month ago, and it has a little bit more damage than what the person said, but I think it'll still work, hopefully, if we have all the pieces and we can get it together. So that's what we're doing. This is what it looks like, though. There's a little bit of damage right there, which they told me about, but they said it would face the wall, and it obviously doesn't face the wall. There's another scratch over there, but there's tiny scratches kind of within it over here. See, like right there? But those don't matter as much, and then this is what that looks like. Okay, guys, so this is how we have the nursery set up right now. We have our chair here, we have the bed here, the crib here, and all the stuff in the closet. I will do a tour of the nursery later on, but I'm just going to show you what I bought at Target. I don't feel so good right now because I need to eat and I'm kind of dizzy, but we're moving on. So I got this bin I'm going to use as his hamper. It's really, really cute. I got this clock. It was $3. It matches the room. Q-tips to fill in the gift card that I had. One sheet was $10. It was so expensive. I was shocked. This coat rack that's going to hold his diaper bag. Curtains in these are actually gray. They just look really dark. And some coat hangers. So that's all I got right now. So I had some lunch and I feel a little bit better. So we had a gift card for Target, so I went to Target to get a few things, and I had to run to Walmart to get a few things too, which I just showed you guys. Let me just say, Target is like so expensive to me. Too expensive, unless there's things on clearance. So I basically decided that any baby stuff I want to buy from Walmart, or I want to DIY, or I want to get at like a secondhand store and like fix up or something, because things are so expensive there. I was actually pretty shocked. Didn't have a good section, at least my Target didn't have a good section for nursery stuff or baby stuff. So I showed you the items that I bought. The thing with me is, like, as you guys know, I'm a DIYer. So if I see something that I can make cheaper, I won't buy it. And normally I like to buy things that are on a sale. So like if I go to Bath and Body Works, I'll buy their candles if they're on a sale. I've never bought a candle not on a sale. So I like to just shop that way. That's just how I like to shop. But anyway, I think Caden's nursery is coming together really, really well. It's looking really good. Somehow I have to connect all the different colors in there because I wanted his colors to be more gray. So there is going to be a lot of gray in there. But I do have like a beigey brown chair in there. So I should probably find a way to mix it together to look a little better. But yeah, I was going to go hang out with my grandma today and go shopping. But she wasn't feeling too good. So she canceled. And so that's why I just decided to go. But I was at Walmart and I was like walking in the parking lot. And there was this guy who was like legit like following me through the parking lot. And it like really scared me, you know, so I got to my car as quickly as I could and got in it. But I was like, you know, because I was, you know, walking very fast to try to get to my car. In Target, I was like walking around so much and I got dizzy, which isn't good. I got like dizzy and I've been kind of having a little bit of a pain on the side of me. I don't know why. But it's like when I was standing, I was feeling that, and then I was kind of just feeling dizzy and stuff. So I came home and I ate, and I think what it is normally I'm used to having like 3 meals a day, you know, like the average person. Then when I got pregnant and I was in the first trimester, it was eat what you can to get by, you know. And now since I'm in the second trimester, it's like he's growing so much and I have to eat like almost every hour or two. And sometimes I'm busy and I just forget or I'm doing something. But I gotta remember that and just eat. I guess I just gotta eat a lot. I've been trying not to gain a ton of weight with this pregnancy because I'm already a little heavier than I wanted to be, but I'm not dieting or anything like that. Like, I'm not starving myself for dieting or anything. But I do need to find like a good snack that I could have like every hour or so, or every few hours, something that's small. So if you have any ideas, let me know down below. Speaking of feeling heavy and feeling fat, I got literally
pregnancy body shamed
the other day. And I don't really know how to feel about it. So the other day someone said something that was really rude and derogatory towards me when they knew I was pregnant. So that was really, really insulting. And I decided a while ago that I wanted to do life chat advice type videos throughout next year and start doing videos like that. So I'm going to call them life chats. And that's going to be the first live chat that I do.
is going to be on pregnancy body shaming, because it's not alright to do that. It's not okay. It's unacceptable to do that to somebody when you know that they're pregnant and you know that you've been pregnant before and that you probably felt fat when you were pregnant too. So it's not okay. So we're going to talk about that in a future video. So stay tuned for that.
If you have any live chat topics that you want me to go over in the next year, let me know down below and I will totally try to film those for you guys. So I'm setting up my calendar for videos for next year. So I'm getting that all prepared for videos for next year and everything. So yeah, just let me know down below if you have any requests or any live chat topics that you want to discuss, and we will discuss them. That's my cat crawling in the curtain. Okay guys, so I'm going to end the vlog here. So as I said earlier in this vlog, next vlog is going to be a little bit longer because the next vlog is going to have Christmas in it and it's going to be awesome. So make sure you stay tuned for that and you check out this week's video, and I will see you in the next video soon. Bye!